All right, so I have the Pepsi machine here, and I'm going to test out the light to see if it works. So what I have here is a 15-inch fluorescent tube, and I got this from Menards. Lowe's and Home Depot did not have this size. And this was the only one I found. I'll probably order some LEDs online, but I just wanted to give this a test and see what it looked like with light in there. First thing you do is you have to open this, and that gives you the ability to lift up the Pepsi part sign, slide it out and down. It has two little nubs here that fit inside those holes to keep it from coming out. This is a little bit damaged. It looks like someone shot paintballs at it or hit it with a hammer or something. Now these fit in there kind of tight, so I get one end started and then I put the other end by pulling on the side. It's pretty bright. Same with this tube. Starting this side, and I'm kind of pulling on this so that it squeezes in there. There we go. Once those are in, you go ahead and put this in. It's kind of tricky to get those in sometimes, get them in the holes. You kind of put it right back in place. Then you shut the door. And that keeps it from falling. Well, there you have it, guys. The Pepsi sign is lit up. There is power going to the lights, and they work, and it looks pretty good.